This video will cover Empower Connect dashboard for the basic mini hybrid system. To access the dashboard, I can press F3 on my keyboard or click on the F3 dash button up top. There are 4 boxes on the dashboard that contain data. On the top left-hand side, we have controller information. This provides information on my system controller, such as the software calibration number, as well as the control platform. Next, I have manual control, which provides basic speed commands for the fans. The buttons are sticky. Once a button is depressed, it is highlighted to let you know that the command has been accepted. To unhighlight it, I click on it again to cancel that manual control. Live data provides information received from the engine control unit, as well as the thermal management controller. The charge air cooler RPM command and water RPM command are commanded speeds, not feedback from the fans. Some other information provided is ignition voltage, battery voltage, intake manifold temp, and coolant temp. Moving down to the bottom, there are installation faults or diagnostic codes. The left-hand side provides any active diagnostic codes and their numerical value. Moving right, I have the count, how many times that diagnostic code has happened, the description of that code, the duration of the code, and the first time the diagnostic code ever occurred. The clear button clears and refreshes diagnostic codes, and the refresh button refreshes my counts and timers. Please note, anytime the system is manually controlled, the user must unhighlight the manual control button or turn the ignition off. This is important to note so the system is not damaged. If there are any questions about this video, please contact service@emp-corp.com.